Now, having inferred that the energy is dependent upon alpha and k, we now have to plot energy E versus k, that is the wave vector. That is, you can have E versus alpha or E versus k for the condition where P is greater than 0 but less than infinity, that is, it is infinite, right? Okay, so now we'll translate the above figure which we have already drawn, which is something like your, the sinc function. That is this one, or yeah, this is just for your reference. Okay, I'll not put it on record here. So we have seen that there are energy discontinuities there are energy discontinuities, that is, energy is not continuous. There are energy discontinuities for values of k equals to n pi upon a. Now, these energy discontinuities are known as the Brillouin zone boundaries, where the wavelengths are not allowed, and the allowed bands are known as the Brillouin zones. Alright, now let us translate it like this. Okay, now let us have an energy versus k. This is the energy E and this is the wave vector k. Let us take the reference as 0. Let us have one point as, this as pi upon a, the second point as 2 pi upon a, similarly 3 pi upon a, 4 pi upon a, and so on. And on the left hand side, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, minus 4 pi, and so on. Okay, now let us look to the above figure and see. Okay, so this is k equals to 0, this is k equals to pi, and this is k equals to pi by a, plus pi by a and plus pi by a. Now for k equals to minus pi by a and for k equals to plus pi by a, what do you have? We have to take this portion, that is for k equals to 0 to k equals to this, so that is this portion. So we are going to draw this portion like this. So it's kind of, we are drawing it like this. Okay, and similarly for k equal to 0 to minus pi by a, we are going to take this portion. So let us translate it using the same shape which the waveform sinc function shows there. We are taking it like this. And then at pi by a, we have energy discontinuity. That is, at pi by a, we have energy discontinuity. Then from pi by a to 2 pi by a, we have the energy. Okay. So at pi by a, we have some energy discontinuity like this. Then from pi by a to 2 pi by a, we have a solution and the wave looks like this. Okay. Then at 3 pi by a, we again have some, at 2 pi by a, we have a discontinuity. Then from 2 pi by a to 3 pi by a, we have some energy. Then we have again a discontinuity at 3 pi by a, and then we have the energy. We have the allowed energy from 3 pi to 4 pi.